Hey everyone, so in the following video we'll talk about some of the page templates offered within the new Cozy template. So here we have a freshly created page. I actually haven't published it yet, but we'll add our page title, so we'll just add that there. Next off, for the page templates, we have several templates to choose from. First of all, we have the default template. Then we have blog post, contact form, gallery, and then latest videos. So for the default template, this page is probably one of the most flexible ones you have to customize, and if you want to use some of the widgets, you can use this page template because it's pretty much just like a blank page. So we'll just go ahead and publish this for now and take a quick look at it. So if we click on view page, this is what our page looks like. As you'll notice, it's similar to what the home page looked like when we first created. Next off, here below you have the option to select a slideshow for this. If you want to create this as a special page, you can add a different type of slideshow. So let's just go ahead and add this slideshow. Next off, you do have the options of showing the page title or not, so you can adjust that. Then we have the sidebar widgets with content, we have the about widget, and then we have social sharing. Now for these two widgets, we'll do a separate video. Talk about the entire widgets for the website, but these are just some options you have to play around with. Other than that, there's really not much you can add to this page. You can add general text, images, as I mentioned, you can also add short codes and so forth. So if we want to add just a basic image, we'll just go ahead and select this image, click on insert into page, and this image will be added here. If we switch over to visual mode, this is what it pretty much looks like. This is what it looks like in text mode. So let's go ahead and click on update. We'll go here and refresh this page. And here we just have our image slider. Then as you see here, we have the text, and then we have the image I've just uploaded. So it's a very generic page. So there's really not a whole lot you can do with the following page unless you know how to work the page and how to customize it with widgets. Alright, so further on, let's go ahead and just remove all of this content. We will get rid of this slideshow, and we'll select a different page template. This will be blog posts. Now for the blog posts, as you can tell, this really shows the latest blog posts we have. So this will be our blog page, so to speak. Now as soon as you select the page template for blog posts, you have additional settings that come up at the bottom. So first of all, we can select the width of the page. It can either be a full width page or it can have a sidebar to the right or to the left side. Next off, you can select the categories for this blog post. So for example, if you're doing photography and you want to have only baby blog posts, you can select the category to be babies only, or weddings, or portraits, etc. So you can handpick the categories you want to select in a specific blog page. Next off, we have the different view types for this blog page. You can select here. And then we have some of the options of the text hovering over the images. You can have the plus sign to expand, have the plus sign in a box, or also in a colored box. Then you have the options of entering the amount of blog posts per page, and then we also have the pagination type, which you can either have numbers or it'll be an infinite scroll. So these are some of the blog post settings that we have. For the page settings, pretty much the same options. You do have the option to select your page, your home page, slideshow, or a different slideshow. Then you have the options of the regular page settings that we do for any other page. Next off, we have a contact form page template. Now the contact form page template pretty much gives already a fully built-in contact form for you. And in order to activate this contact form, it's important that you add a contact email. So we'll just add info@flothemes.com, and for the thank you message, we'll add thank you for your email. Next off, you need to select your layout. So we'll select this layout. We'll click on update. And let's just go here, refresh this page. And here we have page title, and then we have this contact form. Now, once again, you can always add text to this page, and we can just do that. Next off, we can always add an image as well. So we'll take one of these images, click on insert into page, they will be added. And I just want to take this image and add it right above my text, like that. And we'll go here, refresh this page. And so here you see I have my image, we have this text, and then we have our contact form. Now the contact form can be customized with Visual Contact Form Builder plugin, and we do have a separate video for that as well. It will be in the video description below. But these are the general layouts you have for the contact form layout built in within this template. And then we also have this layout setting as well, so we'll just click on update and show you what that looks like. Okay, so this is what this contact form looks like. Next off, let's head on over to our next page template, which will be a gallery page template. Now this gallery page template really sometimes it confuses users. These are not your latest galleries. This is just a simple page with a gallery within it. So in order to have this gallery page, first of all, select the page template as gallery. Then you have the option here of selecting the gallery you want to feature within this page. So I've already created a gallery, and it's called Gallery 1. So I'll select this as my gallery that I want to feature on this page, and I'll remove this image. I'll keep my text here, and then I'll just click on update. I'll go back here to my page, I'll refresh it, and here I have the text that I've added. We still have this page title, when this page was created, and then we have my actual gallery, and we can just click through these images. So this is a simple gallery page. Once again, it's not your latest galleries, it's just a single gallery. Further on, we have latest galleries, and this is the page where we have all of our galleries come up. So if I just click on update here, and let me just remove this text, click on update, and we'll go back here, refresh our page, and you'll see that this is our latest galleries, and here I have gallery 1, which I've created. Further on, you can customize the layout of this gallery. Currently I have this view selected. I can always select a grid view, and then I have the same options as I would for the blog posts. Though there are also several options, for example, like selecting the gutter type. Gutter is basically just the white space in between these boxes, so you can select that as well. Number of columns per page, and then show pagination, yes or no. Pretty much the exact same layout and options as you do for the blog post. For the video settings, or the latest videos, the options are pretty much the same. We have the same view types and all of the other options which are featured within the gallery and blog post settings. So this is pretty much the entire overview of the page templates we have to offer. We will do a more detailed overview of the gallery settings and the blog settings, so you will be able to have that in more detail. But other than that, this is pretty much it for the page templates. Thank you.